Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Just when people were still getting used to the features of the Neo 2, fresh leaks have arrived, and they point to something really big, the DJI Avata 360. This is shaping up to be one of the most ambitious drones DJI has ever created, combining a full 360-degree camera system with a switchable FPV drone, all in a single device. If you're into immersive footage or high-speed FPV flying, this drone is definitely going to catch your eye. Before we get into all the details, make sure you hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and drop a comment below letting me know what feature you're most excited about. It really helps the channel and keeps you updated on all the latest gadget news. The design is really clever. Early leaks caused a bit of confusion, especially photos from May that many thought showed the Avata 3 prototype. Turns out, those images were actually the Avata 360 in FPV mode. DJI has designed a rotating gimbal that flips the bottom lens upward for protection, which is why no one initially saw the 360 camera. In 360 mode, both lenses point up and down, capturing the full environment and creating an invisible drone effect in your footage. Switch to FPV mode and the gimbal rotates to reveal a single forward-facing lens, perfect for fast, agile flying. Each lens is expected to have a 180-degree field of view, and DJI will use AI to stitch them together to produce 8K 360-degree video. In FPV mode, you'll get 5K video at 60 frames per second and 30-megapixel photos, while 360 mode could even support 120-megapixel panoramic stills. To handle all that data, DJI is reportedly increasing internal storage to 128 gigabytes, with microSD support for extra space. The drone will also use the new O4 Plus transmission system, boosting range up to 20 kilometers, and flight time is expected to climb slightly to around 25 minutes. And it's not just about video quality. DJI is packing in safety and tracking features as well. In stabilized FPV mode, the drone will use front LiDAR, rear optical sensors, and bottom infrared to avoid obstacles. In full 360 mode, the lenses themselves may act as an omnidirectional sensing system, detecting and avoiding obstacles in every direction. Advanced subject tracking, similar to what we've seen on the Mini 5 and Neo 2, is also expected. DJI is planning a variety of bundles, ranging from a basic $500 drone-only kit to FPV-focused packages that include goggles, motion controllers, and extra batteries. If you want to fly manually in FPV mode, you'll need the FPV Controller 3, which will be sold separately. The rumored release date is December 16th to 18th, and it looks like DJI is trying to get ahead of the competition, especially after rival Anti-Gravity pushed its own 360-degree drone launch to December 4th. This drone isn't for beginners. Editing 360 footage takes time and a powerful computer, and FPV flying always comes with a learning curve. But for experienced pilots and creators, the Avata 360 could be DJI's most innovative drone yet. It blends immersive 360 filming, creative freedom, and high-speed FPV all in a single machine. And if the leaks are accurate, it's going to be a game changer. So there you have it, the DJI Avata 360 officially confirmed with specs, bundles, and a rumored release date. If you're as excited as I am, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the latest DJI news. Drop a comment below and let me know what feature you're most excited about, the 8K 360 footage or the high-speed FPV flying. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.